Our goal is to help women make better financial decisions and to harness the power of renovation profit to have a better life. It takes courage to go after your dreams, no matter how much money you have or at what level you are in the journey.
You're listening to the She Renovates podcast. You're listening to She Renovates, the podcast for women who want to renovate to create an income and a life they love.
Hello, it's Bernadette, back with another episode of She Renovates. And today I have a special topic. That's the She Renovates Live one-day event. This is the 5th year we've run it, and it's coming up very quickly. So I'm a bit behind the 8 ball here. So I want to get into it and share with you the details of that event and what you can expect. I guess I like to set them up so that they're like a crash course in renovating for profit. So these days we don't do a lot of live trainings other than with our Wonder Women. And I know that our renovators really crave that opportunity to have that up close and personal experience. So if you really love face-to-face get-togethers, this one is for you. So it's specifically for women, with or without their partners. We don't discriminate. We just tailor our trainings and our material to empower women like you who want to transform their financial future through renovating for profit. It's a full day of learning, networking, where you'll get real-world tips and strategies and success stories from other women who have achieved extraordinary results in their renovation journey. If there is one thing that I have noticed about all the women that I have worked with over the years is the key thing that holds them back is confidence. And so that's something that we really want to address in this session. And so there's a few ways we'll be doing that. Firstly, of course, our resident mindset expert, Amelie, will be working with you on the limiting beliefs that hold you back. We'll also be sharing a lot of case studies of women who have stepped out of their comfort zone and triumphed as a result of it. So it's really important when you're not feeling that confident about what you want to do. I guess it's the scary first steps that you see other people doing it so you know it's possible. So that's incredibly empowering. So it's a full day of learning, networking, where you'll get real-world tips and strategies and success stories from other women who are achieving extraordinary results in their renovating journey. I think I just repeated myself, but hey, let's keep going. So some of the people that will be running sessions are, so firstly, Liz Gordon. In episode 251, Liz shared how she was able to achieve her 2024 goal of $200,000 income by August. And the key project that enabled her to do that was a 10-week renovation using a strategy that did not require her to finance the purchase of a property. Now, a lot of our community are really keen to know more detail about that. So this is where Liz will be sharing the detail of how she was able to do that. And so if that's something you're interested in, you must be there. We also have a Wonder Woman graduate, Rachel Isman. Now, Rachel, I can't tell you too much about this because I don't want to steal her thunder, but she's just landed a massive property styling license with a corporation, one that we all know and love, despite having no formal qualifications. You'll also hear from several other Wonder Women who have really stepped up to the plate to take on their goals. So most people have lofty goals and think about them all the time, but never actually back themselves enough to take that step to actually deliver them. And so you'll be hearing from women who basically match their hopes and dreams with action. You'll also hear from our architect, David, and he'll be sharing some of the design strategies that increase the value of renovation properties. And of course, data analyst John Lindeman. I always like to keep you up to date with what's happening in the market, particularly at the moment, because we're getting lots of conflicting information. The thing I love about John is he has a very reliable process for interpreting what's going on in the property market. And it's certainly information that we as a community rely quite heavily on. So you'll be hearing that as well. So other key takeaways will be strategies for using AI to source deals, design ideas and hacks from students and professionals, and powerful ways to leverage architecture to increase property value. So this is not just another real estate or renovation seminar. It's got soul. It's a day where women come together to empower each other and take action to achieve their financial and lifestyle goals. Now, I always like to find a venue that really reflects our mission, which is really to create beautiful spaces. And so this year, we won't disappoint. The Ovolo is an inspiring event space that perfectly blends heritage charm and modern luxury. It showcases the art of transformation, contemporary design set against a backdrop of rich history. And it's the ideal setting for a community of renovators. The Ovolo embodies the spirit of renovation. You will also be beautifully looked after with a full day of conference catering. You'll receive a welcome gift, and this year is something special. 10% of our ticket sales are being donated to an organisation called Dangerous Females. The other thing that you will get is 12 months access to our special online portal, which will hold the replays, because I don't know about you, but I always need to revisit several times in order to fully absorb the material. So I think our three key promises are vibration. So for those of you who are interested in quantum physics, a really important thing when you are, stepping up to achieve a goal is to raise your vibration. And when you're beavering away on a renovation site on your own, often that's quite challenging to do. Your energy drops and it feels quite lonely. So by getting into a room of like-minded women who are sharing their projects and inspiration, it really helps to raise your vibration. The second one is inspiration. Ideas about ways to get the champagne look on the Prosecco budget, floor plan hacks, how to find deals. All those things will really feed your renovation knowledge bank. And lastly, expansion. Expansion of your mindset, expansion of your knowledge, and expansion of your brain's trust. All really key elements to your renovating mojo. Now, I'm not sure if I can't remember whether I mentioned, the theme of this year's event is stepping up. And our sort of big overarching goal is to impact the financial future of women, particularly women over 50, so that we can make some sort of impact on the horrendous demographic statistics around women and money in Australia. Our goal is to help women make better financial decisions and to harness the power of renovation profit to have a better life. It takes courage to go after your dreams, no matter how much money you have or at what level you are in the journey. And as a result of that, we've made the theme for this year Stepping Up. So we're celebrating the pure tenacity of our female renovators who are achieving results that they never thought possible, and to inspire us all to have faith in ourselves to step up. So this event is for renovators, whether they're newbie renovators or experienced, and also for people who are in a complementary business. So whether you are a buyer's agent or you might be a trade or a professional, so we all have something to bring to the table. And lastly, I want to let you know that tickets obviously are on sale, and I will give you the link to the page. But we currently have an offer. If you buy one ticket, you get to bring a second person for free. So it's really a 2-for-1 offer. So I really hope to see you there. And if you would like to grab a ticket, go to our website, www.theschoolofrenovating.com, and then go to the event page and you'll find the link to the tickets there. Hope to see you there, and thanks for listening.
This is the She Renovates podcast. To discover how to harness the power of renovating, check out theschoolofrenovating.com.